The Southern Colonies by Karsten and Greyson. The Southern Colonies consist of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, and Maryland. They are all great for farming.
In this region, you will find a lot of slaves and the people who own them, which are plantation owners.
They specialize in farming, and their main crop is tobacco, but they can also grow cotton, which is great to make clothes, and we have indigo and rice, which is great for cooking.
They traded crops for slaves or for money for boats so that they could carry supplies.
We have wide rivers and semi-cold winters, and also very humid summers with the Appalachian Mountains nearby.
The Church of England has many people/servants that belong to them. They also hold political votings in market towns.